What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in the office, and today I got another product, and this is what I got. In-car entertainment. So a company called, I think it's Eonon, reached out to me, and they offered me a review for a Android Auto, one of those big screens. And since the one that I have on my RAM works really well and it's not like plug and play, because that was a while back when I got it. This one actually comes with the bezel around it, and since the ones that I asked them to send, they didn't have it, they did have available one for a it's a 2014 Chevy 1500, and since my dad has one of those, they were nice enough to send me one of this. They didn't tell me what to say, but we're gonna install it on my dad's Silverado. So let's open this up, see what we got. Some reason this box is a little bit wet. I don't know why, but let's see what we got. When we pull it out, the whole thing comes out. And this is what we're gonna be working with. So I hope this actually works, because I had tried one in the past before, but I had to return it because no audio came out. My dad's truck is probably the base model, something like that, or one above the it doesn't have a subwoofer or anything like that. So I'm hoping that this one actually works this time. Like I said, the one that I had previously bought was from a whatever company from Amazon. This is from Eonon, so I'm hoping that this actually works, because the screen that he currently has is very, very small, and you're gonna see it in a little bit. And then on this box, most likely it's all the wiring instructions and everything. Okay, so we have the manual, and what is this? Front side installation with everything that comes with it. And I can see over here that we even have a camera. I'm not sure if we're gonna be installing this right now, because I don't know what, we'll see. But then this thing right here is the speaker for the door sound, so we have to plug this in. But all of this plugs into the stock harness of the Silverado, so it should be really plug and play. And this is what's gonna make the steering wheel controls work and everything, so you just have to program it in there. And then over here we have more harnesses, the GPS antenna, and everything that we need for that. So right now all I gotta do is wait for my dad to get here. He was on his way, and we're gonna go ahead and install this. Stay tuned. All right, so this is currently what we're working with, and as you can see, this little bit of screen is gonna get replaced by that big thing. So let's go ahead and pull this dash trim out and see how everything goes. All right, so that was only 4 bolts. One here, there's 7 millimeters. And what I think we need to do is transfer this bottom piece over to the new bezel. And that's what we're gonna do. This is held by clips right here. So you just gotta, little by little, take them out. And this should pop out. Might be a little pain, but it's doable. Let me do this off camera, because I only have 2 hands and I need 2. Just like that, that piece is out. And all we gotta do is put it right here and it should clip right in. You just drop it. And you can hear it click. That's done. On the back of the original stereo, we have 3 plugs, 1, 2, and 3. And this should go into the harness that was provided. So let me set the camera and the time lapse. So after a little while, this thing is all hooked up, and yes, I can hear music. Let me see, where was it? The radio. Just gonna leave it real quick because I don't want any copyright issues, but you can hear all the beeps, so that means that this thing is working. Volume up. I'm gonna set up the steering wheel, the Bluetooth. I'm gonna connect my dad's iPhone to this so he can have the CarPlay. And again, you have a lot of apps. If you can do Wi-Fi and sign into the Play Store. You got Netflix, you got different things right there. So I guess this is a really good product. I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description below. Look at the OEM look over here. This is just perfect. Everything that we needed. There was a lot of wires that we did not use. I guess there were setups for different original head units. We ended up not using a lot of them, but I have everything over there. I hid my USB cables over there. And again, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Thanks Eonon for this amazing head unit. Leave an affiliate link in the description below, and let's ride. Goodbye.